राम राम राम। स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः. First we will start with the dhyana shlokas. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे, गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे, न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः, मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। श्रीकान्तो मातुलो यस्य जननी सर्वमङ्गला, जनकः शङ्करो देवः तं वन्दे कुञ्जराननम्। पीताम्बरं करविराजितशङ्खचक्रकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रम्, राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासम्, वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि। Suswagatam sarvebhyah. Welcome all of you to the 5th class of chanting Srimad Narayaniyam. Today we will start off with the students reciting the previous Dashaka shlokas. So all of you who want to recite can raise your hands. I see there are already many raised hands. So we will start off from the first Dashaka. That is, we will have a revision by the recitation of the volunteer of the attendees itself. So I'll just unmute people who have raised their hands. I'll call out your name and you can start reciting. Meera R.
Yes, sir.
Namaste. So yeah,
Namaste.
can you start with the first shloka?
सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशावधिभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानाम्.
All the pronunciations are right, but stress only the Mahapranas. We have to give more importance. Wherever the Mahapranas are there, for example, this dha over here, I hope you can see my mouse. Bodhatmakam kaladeshavadhibhyam bhagyan jananam. So you have to push the air out from your lungs for that Mahaprana. The more air you push out, that a Mahaprana stress will come. Okay. Otherwise, the Anuswara and all the other pronunciations were good.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, Samiksha SP.
एवं दुर्लभ्यवस्तून्यपि सुलभतया हस्तलब्धे यदन्यत् तन्वा वाचा धिया वा भजति बत जन क्षुद्रतैव स्फुटेयम्.
Repeat the second line. Repeat the second line.
एवं दुर्लभ्यवस्तून् राम राम राम
Ram Ram Ram. Yeah. Continue.
एवं दुर्लभ्यवस्तून्यपि सुलभतया हस्तलब्धे यदन्यत् तन्वा वाचा धिया वा भजति बत जन क्षुद्रतैव स्फुटेयम्.
There, bhajati bata janaha, you have to give a stop. You cannot continuously say it. Give the visarga, janaha. If only the word janaha was there, how would you pronounce that? Similarly, you have to pronounce. There is nothing to join. Janaha, kshudrataiva sphuteyam.
Tanva. Can I say it from first?
No, tell from the second line.
तन्वा वाचा धिया वा भजति बत जनः क्षुद्रतैव स्फुटेयम्. एते तावद्वयं तु स्थिरतरमनसा विश्वपीडापहत्यै तस्मानमेनं गुरुपवनपुराधीशमेवाश्रयामः.
Very good. All the others were quite good. Only here in Durlabhya Vastunyapi, it's Hrasva.
Yeah, thank you. Ram Ram Ram.
It seemed like you made it a Vastunyapi, little full was there. Make it Vastunyapi. Yeah, good. Ram Ram. Shankara Narayanan Ramaswamy.
Namaste, Guruji.
Ram Ram. Namaste. Namaste. Will you tell me the third shloka?
Any shloka.
Yeah, third.
सत्वय्य तत्पराभ्याम अपरिकलनतो निर्मलन्तेन तावद् भूतैर्भूतेन्द्रियैस्ते वपुरति बहु श्रूयते व्यासवाक्यम् तत्स्वच्छत्वाद्यतच्छादितपरसुखचिद्गर्भनिर्भासरूपम् तस्मिन् धन्यारमन्ते श्रुतिमतिमधुरे सुग्रहे विग्रहेते.
Good. The pronunciation was good. But while practicing, tell slowly. Later you can tell fast. Even at the speed, you are getting the Mahapranas, everything well. But while telling and everybody is listening, try to tell slowly. Or else, well recited. What is your name?
Shankara Narayanan.
Very good. Well recited. Good. Anuja CV. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Fourth shloka.
Okay. निष्कम्पे नित्यपूर्णे निरवधि परमानंद पीयूष रूपे निर्लीनानेकमुत्तवालि सुभगतमे निर्मल ब्रह्म सिंधो. Guruji, can you repeat can you teach me the second line?
See, here, if I start teaching everybody individually, it will take very long. So
no, I didn't attend the class.
So the recordings are available already on YouTube. The class recordings are available on YouTube. So with Pada and everything, the whole class, whatever was there, is available on YouTube. I will show you after the revision is over. I will show you all. So please go through the recording and practice that. Because there are about 500 participants that come. So I know some of you will not be able to attend some classes due to some other commitments. So that's why the recordings are available on YouTube, which you can refer to later. Okay. Thanks. I will ask someone else the shloka. Thank you.
Okay. Ram
Ram. Samyukta Rajagopalan.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Mama nama Samyukta. Aham prarambham karomi. Nishkampe nityapurne niravadhi paramananda. Nishkampe nityapurne niravadhi paramananda piyusha rupe nirleenaneka muktavali subhagatame nirmala brahma sindhau. कल्लोल्लोल्लासतुल्यं खलु विमलतरं सत्त्वमाहुस्तदात्मा कस्मानो निष्कलस्त्वं सकलति वचस्त्वत्कलास्वेव भूमन्.
Good. Well said. Good.
धन्यवाद.
Balaji BN.
Ram Guruji. निर्व्यापोपारोपि निष्करणमज भजसे यत्क्रियम् ईशनाख्याम् तेनैवोदेति लेना प्रकृतिरसति कल्पापि कल्पादिकाले तस्या संशुद्धमांशमुखमपि तम् अतिरोधायकं सत्त्वरूपम् सत्त्वं धृत्वा ददासि स्वमहिमा विभवकुन्तवैकुण्ठरूपम्. Ram.
Good. So you can't split here at tam atirodhayakam. So that is wrong splitting. So do not do that. So listen to the recordings. As you keep listening, you should get a continuity while reciting the whole shloka. So that if it comes, and wherever the samyukta aksharas are there, for example, the first akshara itself is nirbhyaparopi. There is rakara, vakara, and then yakara. So there should be a stress there. So in all those kinds of places, if you keep listening to the recording again and again, you will get that naturally, right? And you keep reciting it aloud as you are doing, you will get it. Good.
Thank you.
Good. Thank you. Sita Rajaraman. Sita Rajaraman. They are not able to hear. Mandahasini. Mandahasini. Ram Ram.
Namaste.
Namaste.
I'm doing Tatte Pratyakratar Lalita Kala Yavalike Karam Lavanyayasya Saram Sukriti Janatrasam Purna Punyavataram Lishmeni Sangalila Nilayanam Amudayasanta Santogamantaka Sinchan Sanchita Kanam Baburanukalaye Maruta Karanata.
Good. So what you have to concentrate on is the hrasva and dirgha. In some places, even Lalita Kala becomes Lalita Kala. You are dragging even the hrasva swaras into dirgha in some places. So concentrate on that. And the Mahaprana. Maruta Karanatha. Thakara.
Maruta Karanata.
Good. So you keep listening and you practice, you will get it. P.S. Srinivasan. Ram Ram. P.S. Srinivasan. Okay, he's not able to hear us. Chitra Tyagarajan.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Kashta Srishte Cheshta.
Kashta.
Sorry. Shamitam. Kashta Te Srishta Cheshta Bahutara Bhavaketavaha Jiva Bhajam Ityevam Purvamalochitam Majitam Naiva Madhyabhijane No Ched Jiva Katam Va Madhurataramidam Vatva Paschitrasardham Sadham Naitrei Shautraischa Pitva Paramara Sasudham Bodhipure Rameran.
Good. So it is difficult, these shlokas. So the way you have to practice this is this for everyone. So the way you have to practice this is each line. So in the recording you would see that I will teach the whole line once. So you should take that line once you are perfect with the padas. So you can easily recite Krata, Te, Srishti, Cheshta and so on. So to recite the whole line, you have to, once you listen to my recitation, you yourself have to say it about 5 times at least. So here the panelists repeat it twice after me. Because of time constraint, we do only so much. But when you are practicing over the week, you after each line you have to repeat the whole thing 5 times. Like you have to keep a count and keep telling Kashta Te Srishti Cheshta Bahutara Bhavakhedavaha Jiva Bhajam. Kashta Te Srishti Cheshta Bahutara Bhavakhedavaha Jiva Bhajam. Like this, you have to recite each line 5 times so that it gets into your tongue starts rolling, because these are not simple verses. If you are used to Vishnu Sahasranama or such stotras, the Anushtup meter we are familiar with and our tongues will roll better. But here all chandas that we are going is the very new chandas. So you will have to take care and see to it that you practice as many times. Dhano RECT.
And Inga.
Ram. Next, okay, yeah, Dhano.
Yeah. Okay. Namranam sannidhatte satatamapi purastairanabhyarthitan abhyarthitanapyarthan kamanajasam वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलपारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रपाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्थिव्रजोऽयम्.
Well recited. Good. So even though you stopped all the recitation, the pronunciation was good. Correct. Good.
धन्यवाद.
Bhuvana are
हरि ओम गुरुजी.
Hari Om. Ram Ram.
राम राम. कारुण्यात् काममन्यं ददति खलु परे स्वात्मदस्त्वं विशेषात् ऐश्वर्यादीशतन्ये जगति परजने पीश्वरस्त्वं त्वय्युच्चैरात्रमन्ति प्रतिपदमधुरे चेतना स्फीतभाग्याः त्वं चात्मात्राम एव त्यतुलगुणघनाधार शौरे नमस्ते.
Good. You're getting, in some places there were a few mistakes like evetyatula, you said evatyatula.
Yeah, sorry.
And yeah, no problem. If you keep practicing, your other pronunciations are right. The more you read, you will get it.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you. Thank you. Lavanya Govind.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
ऐश्वर्यं शङ्करादीश्वर विनियमनं विश्वतेजोहराणां तेजस्संहारि वीर्यं विमलमपि यशो दैत्योपगीतम् अङ्गासङ्गा सदा श्रीरखिलविदसिन क्वापि ते सङ्गवार्ता तत्त्वातागारवासिं मुरहर भगवच्छब्दमुख्याश्रयोऽसि.
Very good. Most of these things were right. Well said. But a little more stress on the Mahapranas. Bhagavachabdamukhyaashrayosi. It should be heard well. That is the Mahaprana that you are telling.
Okay, good. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So iti Srimannarayaniye Bhagavan Mahimanuvardanam Nama Prathamam Dashakam Samaptam Narayanakila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. So the first Dashaka is named Bhagavan Mahimanuvardana, which talks about the Lord's Mahima, glory. So now I'll just clear some doubts that we had from the previous class. So the recordings of all the classes are available on the Vyoma website. That is, you would have registered on that website only, the Chant Sriman Narayanam, but many people are asking, how do I get the recordings? So on the YouTube channel also, there is this, if you type in Vyoma Sanskrit Pathashala, you will get the YouTube channel. I will just show you currently how the Vyoma page looks. I hope all of you are able to see my screen. So the Vyoma homepage looks like this, and if you scroll down, you have learned to chant Sriman Narayanam here. If you click on that, you get this page, learn to chant Sriman Narayanam page. And there below, after every class, that is today, if you have class, tomorrow morning, mostly I will be uploading these video and audio. So as you see here, there is the presentation that I am showing you, the audio of the class and video. For example, if you're not able to access YouTube, you can download this audio and then play it when you're going in the car or whatever. So similarly, I have uploaded the scripts in 5 different languages, in Devanagari, in English, that is the trans, Kannada, Malayalam, and Telugu scripts. I have uploaded in all 3 scripts. So you can use whichever would go along with it. Next, a lot of people had doubt in Anuswara pronunciation when followed by Ya and La and Va, basically. So how do we pronounce that? For the other letters, I told you it is the 5th letter of that particular varga. So if it is Ka, it is Nga, and Cha, it is Nya, and so on. But Ya, La, Va, how do we pronounce? It is one kind of Anunasika. For example, in the 3rd shloka, we have Sattvam Yattat. So there you have to say Satvayattat. So it's like one extra ya along with the Chandra Bindu. If you like in Hindi, there is one Chandra Bindu. Similar to that, that sound will come. It will be like Satvayattat. So same way for all the other. It is so you do not tell the makara completely by closing your lips. You just tell the next letter with a nasal sound. The Satvayattat. So we will get a few examples today. I will stress upon it again. So again, someone had asked, why do we say bahusha shruyate? There is a visarga here, but we do not say jana kshudratayir. So it is a rule in Samskrita. Here there is a sandhi, because of which an extra shakara comes. But here that kind of sandhi is not possible. So you have to tell the visarga separately. Janaha kshudrataiva. So assume that janaha is a separate word and tell the visarga completely. Janaha kshudrataiva. Similarly, then in shloka 8, first line, we have P and Artha. So I have split it there if you want to see exactly what shloka we are referring to. So here we have Purastair Anabhyarthitan Api and then Arthan. So even though I can split and write, why am I not teaching like that? Because if we stop at Tan Api, Abhyarthitan Api, then the chandas will not be maintained. So you will get an extra letter here, and that will become a problem. That's why, and it will not go according to tune also. So since to keep the chandas right, we tell it together. But just for reference, if you are not able to hold your breath at all, then there is a possible splitting. But it is the way to say it is you have to tell from here Satatamapi till Kamanajasam continuously. That is how it should be told. Even though the splitting is there, since it does not go along with the chandas, we have to tell both the lines together. We cannot stop at the end of that quarter. So in a lot of shlokas, each pause is indicated at a different place. So how in group, so usually this is not as easy as Bhagavad Gita or Vishnu Sahasranama, where the Anuttuk Chandas, we easily know the pada and it is easy to stop. Group chanting, many people have different ragas also for each shloka. So if usually there will be a lead where properly a pause could be taken, and each one according to the raga they take up, so they take the pause there. So as I said, the yati, where in the Sradhara we can take it after every 7 letters. Yati is basically a pausing point. The next Shardula Vikridam in the second Dashaka, we can take it where I will be showing it to you now. So and then some people had asked for Tamil script. So I have not put up the Tamil script because Tamil does not have the 4 letters ka, kha, ga. Na and I am also my mother tongue is also Tamil, but we do not have those letters, so it would be if you could learn either Devanagari or some other script and use that script. That's why I have not uploaded the Tamil script. It is not due to anything else. So today we will start our class. So Dvitiyam Dashakam is Shardula Vikriditam, is the Chandas, which has 19 letters as I told in the previous class itself. So next we will hear. We have already seen the first shloka. I will just ask one of the panelists to recite it. Spurti, if you can recite the first shloka of Dvitiyam Dashakam. Spurti.
सूर्यस्पर्धि किरीटमूर्ध्वतिलकप्रोद्भासि फालान्तरम् कारुण्याकुलनेत्रमार्दहसितोल्लासं सुनासापुटम्.
I will tell you the raga, then you can start again. Suryaspardhi kireetamurdhvatilakaprodbhasi phalantaram.
सूर्यस्पर्धि किरीटमूर्ध्वतिलकप्रोद्भासि फालान्तरम्.
Continue. Purti? Okay, I'll just finish reciting this first shloka. सूर्यस्पर्धि किरीटमूर्ध्वतिलक प्रोद्भासि फालान्तरम् कारुण्याकुलनेत्रमार्द्रहसितोल्लासं सुनासापुटम् गण्डोद्यन्मकराभकुण्डलयुगम् कण्ठोज्ज्वलत्कौस्तुभम् त्वद्रूपं वनमाल्यहारपटलः श्रीवत्सदीप्रं भजे. So here, usually in Shardula Vikridita, the pause is after the 12th syllable. So as I have seen the comma here. In the other padas, the other quarters, as you see, the word does not end at the 12th syllable. So I have not been able to put a semicolon there. So usually, for example, in the second line, Karunya Kula Netra Mardrahasito, that's where the 12th letter ends. But you can't stop there because Ullasam is the word and you can't stop there. So you can probably drag a little. Karunya Kula Netra Mardrahasito Ullasam Sunasa Putam to get the raga. But you cannot pause there because there is. So if you at all want to take a pause somewhere and you aren't able to hold your breath, then you can stop at the end of any word. For example, Hasitollasam Sunasa Putam. You can take a breath wherever the word ends. So the yati is where I have put the semicolon, where I usually take a pause in that shloka. But if you are not able to hold your breath, then you can take it at any of the ending of any of the words. So Raghu Anna, we will start a new shloka. You can please repeat after. Keyurangada Kankanottama Maharatna Anguliyankita Srimadbahu Chatushka Sangata Gada Shankari Pankeruham Kanchit Kanchana. There is a mistake here as Kanchina. It is Kanchana. I will rectify that and post the script. Kanchit Kanchana Kanchi Lanchita Lasat Pitambara Alambinim Alambe Vimalambujadyutipadam Murtim Tavartichidam There is one more error here at Lanchita. It is only Lachita has been printed. There is a Nyakar also there. Sorry for the mistakes. I will rectify it and post the presentation on the website. Keyurangada Kankanottama Maharatnanguliyankita
महारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित महारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित
श्रीमद्बाहुचतुष्क
श्रीमद्बाहुचतुष्क श्रीमद्बाहुचतुष्क
संगतगदा शङ्खारि
संगतगदा शङ्खारि संगतगदा शङ्खारि
पङ्केरुहाम्
पङ्केरुहाम् पङ्केरुहाम्
काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्छित
काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्छित काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्छित
लसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम्
लसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम् लसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम्
आलम्बे विमलाम्बुजद्युतिपदाम्
आलम्बे विमलाम्बुजद्युतिपदाम् आलम्बे विमलाम्बुजद्युतिपदाम्
मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम्
मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम् मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम्
केयूराङ्गदकङ्कणोत्तममहारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित
केयूराङ्गदकङ्कणोत्तममहारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित केयूराङ्गदकङ्कणोत्तममहारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित
श्रीमद्बाहुचतुष्कसङ्गतगदा शङ्खारि पङ्केरुहाम्
श्रीमद्बाहुचतुष्कसङ्गतगदा शङ्खारि पङ्केरुहाम् श्रीमद्बाहुचतुष्कसङ्गतगदा शङ्खारि पङ्केरुहाम्.
So the first two lines together are one single word. Literally, it is a samastapada. So we have to tell it together. You have to hold your breath and tell it. If it is absolutely impossible, you have some breathing problem. By doing this again and again, you will improve your lung capacity also. So if you become very difficult to say, then wherever I stopped in the pada, when I was teaching separately, you could take the pause in one of those places. Or else the way to say it is both the two lines together, which I will be teaching now. केयूराङ्गदकङ्कणोत्तममहारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कितः श्रीमद्बाहुचतुष्कसङ्गतगदा शङ्खारि पङ्केरुहाम्
केयूराङ्गदकङ्कणोत्तममहारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित श्रीमद्बाहुचतुष्कसङ्गतगदा शङ्खारि पङ्केरुहाम् केयूराङ्गदकङ्कणोत्तममहारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित श्रीमद्बाहुचतुष्कसङ्गतगदा शङ्खारि पङ्केरुहाम्
काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्छितलसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम्
काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्छितलसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम् काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्छितलसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम्
आलम्बे विमलाम्बुजद्युतिपदाम् मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम्
आलम्बे विमलाम्बुजद्युतिपदाम् मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम् आलम्बे विमलाम्बुजद्युतिपदाम् मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम्.
Yeah, you can repeat the whole shloka.
केयूराङ्गदकङ्कणोत्तममहारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित श्रीमद्बाहुचतुष्कसङ्गतगदा शङ्खारि पङ्केरुहाम् काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्छितलसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम् आलम्बे विमलाम्बुजद्युतिपदां मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम्.
Very good. Yes. Spurti, next shloka. Yatrailokya
यत्रैलोक्य
Mahiyasopi
महीयसोऽपि
Mahitam
महितं
Sammohanam
सम्मोहनं
Mohanat
मोहनात्
Kantam
कान्तं
Kantinidhanatopi
कान्तिनिधानतोऽपि
Madhuram
मधुरं
Madhuryadhuryadapi
माधुर्यधुर्यादपि
Saundaryotaratopi
सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि
Sundarataram
सुन्दरतरं
Twadrupamascharjatopi
त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽपि
Ascharyam bhuvane
आश्चर्यं भुवने
Nakasya kutukam
न कस्य कुतुकं
Pushnati Vishno Vibho
पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो
Yatrailokyamahiyasopi
यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽपि
Mahitam Sammohanam Mohanat
महितं सम्मोहनं मोहनात्
Kantam Kantinidhanatopi
कान्तं कान्तिनिधानतोऽपि
Madhuram Madhuryadhuryadapi
मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि
Saundaryotaratopi Sundarataram
सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं
Twadrupamascharjatopi
त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽपि
Ascharyam bhuvanena kasya kutukam
आश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकम्
Pushnati Vishno Vibho
पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो
So this shloka, clearly there is a pause after 12 syllables in every line. It is easy to pause. Similar to the 8th shloka of the previous dashaka, the 3rd and 4th line have to be joined at the end, because there is again, if we stop it at Ascharyatopi, then there is a break in the chandas, which we usually do not do. So we continue into the 4th line. I will teach now. Yatrailokyamahiyasopi mahitam
यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽपि महितं
Sammohanam Mohanat
सम्मोहनं मोहनात् सम्मोहनं मोहनात्
यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽपि महितं सम्मोहनं मोहनात्
यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽपि महितं सम्मोहनं मोहनात् यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽपि महितं सम्मोहनं मोहनात्
कान्तं कान्तिनिधानतोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि
कान्तं कान्तिनिधानतोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि कान्तं कान्तिनिधानतोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि
सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरम्
सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरम्
त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवने
त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवने त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवने
न कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो
न कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो न कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो
सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवने न कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो
सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवने न कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवने न कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो
Good. Now tell the whole shloka once. Here in the third pada, Sundarataram Twadrupa, that Anuswara, Parasavarna Santi, do make it here. Tell the shloka.
यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽपि महितं सम्मोहनं मोहनात् कान्तं कान्तिनिधानतोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवने न कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो
Very good. Now we'll move to the next shloka. Ramya, please repeat after me. Tattadring madhuratmakam
तत्तादृं मधुरात्मकं
Tava vapuhu
तव वपुः
Samprapya Sampanmayi
सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मयी
Sa Devi Paramotsuka
सा देवी परमोत्सुका
Chirataram
चिरतरं
नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि
नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि
तेनास्याबत
तेनास्याबत
कष्टमच्युत विभो
कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक
प्रेम स्थैर्यमयात् अचापलबलात्
अचापलबलात् अचापलबलात्
चापल्यवर्तोदभूत्
चापल्यवार्तोदभूत् चापल्यवार्तोदभूत्
तत्तादृङ्मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः
तत्तादृङ्मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः तत्तादृङ्मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः
सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मयी
सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मयी
सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरम्
सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरम् सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरम्
नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि
नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि
तेनास्याबत कष्टमच्युत विभो
तेनास्याबत कष्टमच्युत विभो तेनास्याबत कष्टमच्युत विभो
त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक
त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक
प्रेमस्थैर्यमयादचापलबलात्
प्रेमस्थैर्यमयादचापलबलात् प्रेमस्थैर्यमयादचापलबलात्
चापल्यवर्तोदभूत्
चापल्यवार्तोदभूत् चापल्यवार्तोदभूत्.
So even in this, in the fourth line, balat, when you split the sandhi, there is a takara and then chapalya vartodabhut. When we tell it together, the icha, like the samyuktakshara that is there, that's how we will tell it. The first line, Ramya, concentrate on the parasavarna, kantava. Tattadring madhuratmakam tava vapus samprapya sampanmagi.
तत्तादृङ्मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मयी तत्तादृङ्मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मयी
सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरन्नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि
सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरं नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरं नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि.
So the panelist Ramya stopped here at the pause. That is also okay. I said it as chirataran naste, which is also fine. So if you want to take a pause, tell it as chirataram naste. If you are going to tell it together, tell it as chirataran naste. Tenasya kashtamachyuta vibho.
तेनास्याबत कष्टमच्युत विभो तेनास्याबत कष्टमच्युत विभो
त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयात्
त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयात् त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयात्
अचापलबलात् चापल्यवर्तोदभूत्
अचापलबलात् चापल्यवार्तोदभूत् अचापलबलात् चापल्यवार्तोदभूत्
तेनास्याबत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयादचापलबलात् चापल्यवर्तोदभूत्
तेनास्याबत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयादचापलबलाच्चापल्यवार्तोदभूत् त्वद्रूपम तेनास्याबत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञकप्रेमस्थैर्यमयादचापलबलाच्चापल्यवार्तोदभूत्.
So if you listen clearly here, as said before, the third and fourth line should be joined. At the joining, Twadrupamanognakaprema, because the pra is a samyukta akshara, it is like we have a double pa here, a pa with a pa. So you have to say Manognakaprema. That stress should be there. It is not a mahaprana. It is like there is a dvitva over there. It happens with all the samyukta aksharas. If you listen to it carefully, you will know that, and it will come naturally. As you keep listening, that will come naturally. Tell the whole shloka once, Ramya.
तत्तादृङ् मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मयी सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरं नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि तेनास्याबत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञकप्रेमस्थैर्यमयादचापलबलाच्चापल्यवार्तोदभूत्.
Good. Next, fifth shloka. Vikas, repeat after me. Lakshmi stavaka.
Lakshmi stavaka. Lakshmi stavaka.
Ramaniyakahritaivyam.
Ramaniyakahritaivyam. Ramaniyakahritaivyam.
Don't reduce the raga to make it vayam sound separately. As I am saying, get it continuously. I know because the yati ends at tai, the raga you are making it vayam. Do not do that. Ramaniyakahritaivyam.
Ramaniyakahritaivyam. Ramaniyakahritaivyam.
Pareshvasthireti.
Pareshvasthireti. Pareshvasthireti.
Asminnanyadapi.
Asminnanyadapi. Asminnanyadapi.
Pramanamadhuna.
Pramanamadhuna. Pramanamadhuna.
Vakshyami Lakshmipate.
Vakshyami Lakshmipate. Vakshyami Lakshmipate.
Tell in my speed only. Do not tell too fast because so many people are listening. So, ye tvadhyana.
Ye tvadhyana. Ye tvadhyana.
Gunanukirtana.
Gunanukirtana. Gunanukirtana.
Rasa saktahi.
Rasa saktahi. Rasa saktahi.
Bhakta janaha.
Bhakta janaha. Bhakta janaha.
Teshvesha vasati.
Teshvesha vasati. Teshvesha vasati.
Sthiraiva dayita.
Sthiraiva dayita. Sthiraiva dayita.
Prastava dattadara.
Prastava dattadara. Prastava dattadara.
Lakshmi stavaka ramaniyaka.
Lakshmi stavaka ramaniyaka. Lakshmi stavaka ramaniyaka.
Hritaivyam pareshvasthireti.
Hritaivyam pareshvasthireti. हृदैवेयं परेष्वस्थिरेति
अस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना
अस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना अस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना
वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते
वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते
ये त्वध्यानगुणानुकीर्तन
ये त्वध्यानगुणानुकीर्तन ये त्वध्यानगुणानुकीर्तन
रसासक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः
रसासक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः रसासक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः
तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव
तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव
दयितप्रस्तावदत्तादरा
दयितप्रस्तावदत्तादरा दयितप्रस्तावदत्तादरा
लक्ष्मी रमणीयकहृदैवेयम्
लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृतैवेयम् लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृतैवेयम्
परेष्वस्थिरेत्यस्मिन्नन्यदपि
परेष्वस्थिरेत्यस्मिन्नन्यदपि परेष्वस्थिरेत्यस्मिन्नन्यदपि
प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते
प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते
लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृदैवेयं परेष्वस्थिरेत्यस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते
लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृतैवेयं परेष्वस्थिरेत्यस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते
Again at the beginning, Vayam you are reducing, do not do that. A raga, keep it.
लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृतैवेयं परेष्वस्थिरेत्यस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते
Just because you have to hold your breath, you should not rush through. You have to hold enough breath so that you are able to say it in the same speed. Okay. Ye tvadhyana gunanukirtana rasasakta hi bhakta janaha.
ये त्वध्यानगुणानुकीर्तनरसासक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः ये त्वध्यानगुणानुकीर्तनरसासक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः
तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव दयितप्रस्तावदत्तादरा
तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव दयितप्रस्तावदत्तादरा तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव दयितप्रस्तावदत्तादरा
Okay, repeat the whole shloka once.
लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृतैवेयं परेष्वस्थिरेत्यस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते ये त्वध्यानगुणानुकीर्तनरसासक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव दयितप्रस्तावदत्तादरा.
Good, well said. So like this, you have to tell each shloka about. So if you want to memorize a shloka or anything for that matter, you have to tell it about at least 105 times over a period of 15 days. Only then it will sit in the memory, even for children as such. Even for 3-4-year-old children, this is absolutely possible. So if you have to memorize anything or get a hold over that shloka, you have to tell that at least 100 times minimum. That is a minimum. So over the week, this recording is there, both audio is there, video is there. You can play it again and again. You can listen to it, and you yourself should see the book or see the screen and read it at least 50 to 60 times. And then by that time you would have memorized it, and then repeat it again 40-50 times for it to stay. So it is not only with the Narayaniyam, it is with anything. That is how our usual traditional way of teaching is. So once the teacher teaches, so what we do is that Swadhyaya is that revision has to happen multiple times. So I will just repeat all the shlokas from 1 to 5 now, just for the sake of so that it is there together. Just 1 to 5 that we have learned of Dashaka 2. Suryaspardhi kireta murdhvatilaka prodbhasi phalantaram karunyakula netramardrahasitollasam sunasaputam गण्डोद्यन्मकराभकुण्डलयुगं कण्ठोज्ज्वलत्कौस्तुभं त्वद्रूपं वनमाल्यहारपटलश्रीवत्सदीप्रं भजे केयूराङ्गदकङ्कणोत्तममहारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कितः श्रीमद्बाहुचतुष्कसङ्गतगदाशङ्खारि पङ्केरुहाम् काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्छितलसत्पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम् आलम्बे विमलाम्बुजद्युतिपदां मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम् यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽपि महितं सम्मोहनं मोहनात् कान्तं कान्तिनिधानतोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो तत्तादृङ्मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मयी सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरन्नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि तेनास्याबत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञकप्रेमस्थैर्यमयादचापल बलाच्चापल्यवार्तोदभूत् लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृदैवेयं परेष्वस्थिरेत्यस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते ये त्वध्यानगुणानुकीर्तनरसासक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव दयितप्रस्तावदत्तादरा. Ram Ram Ram. We just have one announcement, and I will just let Raghunath Anna do that announcement. Anna.
Ram Ram Ram. Dhanyawadaha. I will want to have present a screen.
Okay.
Namo Namaha. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. Namo Namah Sarvebhyah. Ram Ram Ram. We are really thankful to all our Vyoma supporters. During this auspicious occasion of Akshaya Tritiya, we have come up with a newsletter which we have also sent it across through email to all of you. Also, this is available on the home page of our website, which is sanskritfromhome.in. So once you click on this, it is there on the face of our website itself. You will be able to see a presentation which has all the details about Vyoma Linguistics Labs. So this is a great time for us to thank all of you for the invaluable support that you are able to help us through. So it's a document with a lot of success stories and how we evolved ourselves and so on. I request all of you to please go through this document and please take our thanks for all your support. Also, on a side note, on this auspicious occasion of Akshaya Tritiya, if anyone is willing to support voluntarily to Vyoma, please reach out to us. Reach out to us to know in what all ways you can help us and support us. Dhanyavadaha. This is the announcement which I wanted to make.
Ram. There are just a couple of questions. So one person has asked, so 2 young boys are learning, can you please teach not more than 3 verses in each class? So currently we are going only at 4 verses a class. This itself then would take about 250 classes if we go at this speed. Since the shlokas are longer and bigger, we are going at this pace. As I said, from the 3rd and 4th dashaka, the verse, the chandas becomes a little shorter. So probably we'll be able to cover 5 or 6. For young children, surely up to 7 shlokas a week is surely possible. If they're 3, 4 or 5 years old, up to 15, 16 years, it's surely possible to memorize 7 to 10 shlokas a week. And currently with summer holidays and even lockdown, it is there is no issue why it is not possible. We should have some medium pace so that I do not go too slowly also or too fast. So we are trying to hold that medium pace. So as I said, the other few questions are about where it is available. I have shown you the website, the Vyoma website and the YouTube channel where the video and the audio is available. So currently I've uploaded only 4 dashakams. That is only the first 4 chapters. Since I'm still seeing proof, as you can see, still there are mistakes. Today itself we found 2. So that's why I do not want to see proof and then upload with a lot of mistakes. So as we keep completing the dashakams, you will keep getting. So I have uploaded only up to 4 dashakams now on the website. So the first dashakam is absolutely error-free. So you can download that and read that. So yeah, I might find out something like this in the presentation and then correct it back in all the scripts again. So that was the other question that is there. And somebody has asked about the ragas. So the raga, there is no particular raga as such. This is a traditional raga that our elders have taught us and we have learned this. This is not something related to Carnatic music. I am no exponent with ragas. So I don't know whether this can be connected to a raga. But if a Carnatic musician is there, they can surely put their own raga to this. But this is not a particular raga as such. So that is it. So if any more people want to tell now, we can have one single revision of please put down your hands and then raise your hands again so that I know who is raising their hands and who is actually available, because at this some of you might exit, so, and then you might not be available. So those who want to say, please put down your hands and then raise your hands again. We'll just have one quick revision of the whole thing. Priyadarshani Parni.
Namaskaram, Mahodaya.
Namaskaram. We will start from the 10th shloka and then we'll come to shloka number 1.
Okay.
We will come in reverse order.
ऐश्वर्यं शङ्करादीश्वर दीश्वर विनियमनौ विश्वतेजोहराणाम् तेजः संहारि वीर्यौ विमलमपि यशो निःस्पृहैश्चोपगीतम् अङ्गासङ्गा सदा श्रीरखिल विदसिनः क्वापि ते सङ्गवार्ता तत्त्वादागारवासिन् मुरहर भगवच्छब्दमुख्याश्रयोऽसि.
Very good. Well said. Actually, good pronunciation everywhere. You can continue. Good. Sita Rajaram. Shloka number 9. Ram Ram Ram. Sita Rajaraman. They are not available. Manya Umesh. Manya Umesh.
Ram Ram Ram, sir.
Ram Ram Ram. 9th shloka, please.
कारुण्यात् काममन्यं ददाति खलु परे स्वात्मदस्त्वं विशेषात् ऐश्वर्यादीशतेऽन्ये जगति परजने स्वात्मानपीश्वरस्त्वं त्वय्युच्चैरारमन्ते प्रतिपदमधुरे चेतनास्फीतभाग्याः त्वं चात्मा राम एवत्यतुलगुणगणाधार शौरे नमस्ते.
So you have not yet practiced this shloka. You can see that. Okay, listen to it and practice. There are mistakes in a few places. Evetyatula swatmano pishwarastvam karunyat kamamanyam. Listen to it multiple times and practice. Good. Shriram Ganesh.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Namranan sannidhatte satatamopi purastairanabhyartitan kamanajasram vitarati paramananda sandrangatincha yittham nisheshalabhyo niravadhika palaha parijato hare tvam kshudram tam kshakravarti drumamabhilashati vyarthamartyavrajoyam.
Very good. Well said. Only in this Shakravati Drumam, there since Dra is also Samyukta Akshara, there also Vati Drumam, it is like double Da is there. Like that little stress you have to give, not too much. While reciting here, it will look like I am giving too much stress so that you all can hear clearly. But you have to just say it as Shakravati Drumam Abhilashati Vyarthamarthi. Or else everything else, the other Mahapranas and Santis were perfect. Very good recitation. Dhanyavad. Dr. Shrikant. Dr. Shrikant. Namaste, Ram Ram.
Namaste.
Namaste.
My brother will also sit with me.
Sure.
Nam
One second. I'll just change. No, Shloka 7. I'll just Shloka 7.
Shloka 7. Namrana. Kashtate Shishikeshta Bahutara Bhavake Davaha Jiva Bhaja Ityevam Purvamalo Chitamajitamaya Naivam Madhyabhijane Noche Jiva Katham Va Madurataramidam Tvajvapushchitra Sadram Netraishotраishipitva Paramarasudham Bodhipure-rameran.
Very good. Good. Most of the pronunciation was very good. Correct. So you keep practicing, you will get it. Okay. Very, very good presentation.
Thank you.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Mukesh Bharat. 1 second. I think this thing keeps going up and down. Yeah. Sorry. One second. Is she Akshita Shankar? Akshita Shankar?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell the 6th shloka?
Sir, can I say the first shloka?
If you want to tell the first shloka, once I come there, I will give you the chance again. Have you not come till the 6th shloka? Okay, I will give you first shloka itself later. Okay. Kartikeyan B.
Lavanyashekasaram.
Oh, you were just now unmuted. Please start the shloka from the beginning. Satte.
Ram Ram, I'm not prepared yet, Ram Ram. Kindly excuse.
Okay, okay, no problem. Vallam Rekha.
Yes, sir.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Shloka 6. Can you recite? Ram Ram.
Te pratyagradhara dhalala.
You heard it?
Tatte pratyagradhara.
Yes, continue. Yes.
Dharalalita kala yavali kelikaram lavanyasyaikasaram sukruti janadrisham purna punyavataram lakshmi nishankalila nilayanam amritasyandasa dohamantah sinchantas Sinchat sancintakanam vapuranukalaye marutagaranatha.
Good. Except that everything else was well recited. Good.
Dhanyawada.
Andahasini. Those who are not reciting, please mute yourselves. Namaste.
Namaste. முன்னால இதே தான் நான் சொன்னேன், இதே ஸ்லோகம். இதே சொல்லட்டுமா?
அப்படியா? சரி, 4வது சொல்லுங்க. நிஷ்கம்பே.
நிஷ்கம்பே நித்ய பூர்ணே நிரவதி பரமானந்த பீயூஷ ரூபே निर्लीनानेक मुक्तावली सुभकतमे निर्मल ब्रह्म सिन्धो कल्लोलोलासदुल्यं खलु विमलतरं सत्त्वमाहुस्तदात्मा कस्मानो निष्कलस्त्वं सदली दिवसः त्वत्कलास्वेव भूमन्.
நான் சொல்றேன், இந்த தமிழ் புஸ்தகம் வச்சு படிக்கிறதோ என்னவோ தெரியல. ஆனால் நிரவதி அந்த மகாபிராணம் எல்லாம் தகாரம் வந்து தகாரம் ஆறுது. அப்படி அது மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் பாத்துக்கோங்க. அது அபியாசம் பண்ண மட்டும் வந்துடும்.
சரி, நமஸ்தே.
நமஸ்காரம்.
Ram Ram sir. Mukesh Bharat.
Mukesh Bharat said okay. Can you tell me the 5th shloka, Mukesh?
Okay sir.
Yes.
Nirvyaparopi nishkaranajamaj bhajasi Nirvyaparopi nishkaranamaj bhajase yatkriyameekshanadyam tenaivo dedilina prakriti rasati kalpapi kalpati kale.
तस्या संसुप्तमंशं कमपि तमतिरोधायकं सत्त्वरूपम् सत्त्वं धृत्वा ददासि स्वमहिम विभवा कुण्डवैकुण्ठरूपम्.
So your whole recitation is very good, the raga and this thing, but the Mahapranas again are missing. For example, I will tell this, tell it after me. Sattvam dhritva dadhasi. Tell only that.
Sattvam dhritva dadhasi.
See there, the first da is Alpa Prana, second da is Mahaprana. Dhritva dadhasi.
Dhritva dadhasi.
So you're getting the Mahaprana. It's not that you're not getting. So you know how to tell it. But in the whole shloka, you did not tell the Mahaprana anywhere. Starting from bhajase ikshanakhyam samshuddhamamsham samatirodhayakam. So repeat the last part. Vibhava kuntha vaikuntha rupam.
Vibhava kuntha vaikuntha rupam.
Kuntha vaikuntha rupam.
Vibhava kuntha vaikuntha rupam.
So it is coming. So you give that stress, slowly practice in those places. That Mahaprana should come. It should fall in those places. Okay. Only then the beauty of the shloka will also come across. Because you are seeing your raga and everything else, and all the other letters and sandhis are also perfect. Good.
Thank you. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. I was in calling someone. Sukanya Venkat.
Yes, sir.
Third shloka, please.
Ram Ram.
Ram.
Sattvam yattat parabhyam aparikalanato nirmalanten tavat bhutair bhutendriyaiste vapuriti bahushashruyate vyasavakyam तत्स्वच्छद्वाद्यदच्चादितपरसुखचिद्गर्भनिर्पासरूपं तस्मिन् धन्या रमन्ते श्रुतिमति मधुरे सुग्रहे विग्रहे ते.
Even the Samyuktaksharas and all are well told. Again, in few places you are missing the Mahaprana. Shrutimati Madhure Tasmin Dhanya Ramante. And this shloka has a lot of Mahapranas. So you, in some places you told, in some places you didn't stress upon them. Just
we'll practice.
Good recitation. Very good.
Thank you. Ram Ram.
Kalavati Kar. Ram Ram. Second shloka. Ram Ram. Kalavati.
Namaste. Yevam durlabhya vastunyari sulabhadaya hastalabdhe yatanyat dhanvavacharya bhajati bhajajanah sudradaiva sputeyam येदेदावत्वयं तु स्थिरधरमनसा विश्वपीडा वहत्यै निःशेषाज्ञानमेनं गुरुभवनपुराधीशमेवाश्रयामः.
Good. All the sandhis and everything was good. Some places the pavana and the pakara, bakara, sakara, dakara, that little fine tuning you have to do. Mostly it is very nice. A little fine tuning, it will happen. You keep practicing and listening, it will happen. Good.
Thank you.
Vasupriya, first shloka. Oh, sorry. Okay. Somebody else also wanted to tell the first shloka. I will. Vasupriya, you tell.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
शान्त्रानन्दावबोधात्मकम् अनुपमितं कालदेशावदीप्याम् निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमदश सहस्रेण निर्पाश्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरूपु पुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्त्वावत् पाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्तभाग्यं जनानाम्.
Good. Very good recitation. Good. Raghavendra Kashyap. Raghavendra Kashyapah. You are self-muted.
No. No.
Vilasini Y. Vilasini.
Vilas.
Self.
Ram.
Vilasini. Ram. Raghavendra Kashyap. Yes. Who is this?
Ram.
Ram. Yes. Ram.
Mahodaya.
Ram. Vadatu. Prathama shlokam vadatu. First shloka. Please tell me the first shloka.
कस्मिन् श्लोकः?
प्रथम श्लोकः.
सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशावधिभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टवान्.
There is some audio problem with you.
पुनरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्तभाग्यं जनानाम्.
Okay, now I heard you. Good recitation. All the Mahapranas and the Santis were also good. Very good recitation. Good. So we will stop here today. It is almost 9:30. I am very pleased to look at the how many of you want to recite. So today I hope to give 20 people chance like this in every class. Let us see how Bhagavan takes it, how Guru Ayyappan takes us. Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. Dhanyavadaha. Ram. We'll see in the next class.